Final startup. YouTube, what's up guys? Welcome to a sad video. We've sold the EVO 9 MR 6-speed manual, 99,000 miles on it or 98,000 miles on it right now. We've sold it. We built this thing. It is so beautiful. We're meeting a trailer for someone to come pick it up because it's going to Idaho. Idaho, Idaho, that's where it's going. One final startup. Let's do this. This is gonna be a sad moment. One final startup. Let's do it real quick here. One cold start. This is the final cold start on my EVO 9 MR 2006. I don't know if I want to do this. Oh my gosh, I feel like I never really got to enjoy this car. Look how amazing those headlights are. They're so cool. I love this. I love them all. I love everything about this car. This is just absolutely awesome. I'm so sad that I'm selling this. Look how nice those Brimbos look. Look at those. Oh my gosh. Look at that. I love the dark tint on here. So good. Of course, a vortex generator. Oh my gosh, I love this. Carbon fiber. Listen to how beefy. Oh my gosh. That is a good exhaust. HKS with the Megan downpipe. Got the Megan downpipe. And then I think the Megan test pipe. The rare all black tail lights. I love these tail lights because there's no amber in there. So amazing. The MR OEM badge. Wow. Just absolutely wow. So awesome. Look at this car. So beautiful. Oh my gosh. Just amazing. What an awesome car. The Recaros from factory. Oh, so good. Let's pop open in the front hood. Nice little pop. Come over here, look at the most legendary 4-cylinder there ever was. The EVO 9 MR original turbo that everyone wants. The 4G63 MIVEC turbo, which everyone wants. The engine intake. Look at the engine intake system, so beautiful. This car is so clean. Look at that. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. Oh, Turbo Smart blow-off valve. It's the compact, it's so good. Has that trumpet that makes the noise. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Mishimoto intercooler with the part number in there. The brace. The OEM SE front lip. All black, perfect all black headlights. I love that style. That is so me. What an amazing car. Black side markers, powder coated BBS. Oh, this car's so good. Let's go ahead and turn it off real quick. Man, I love, oh my gosh, I love this car. 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 So sad. Okay, so I already did a video saying selling this car. I already did that video, so you guys know the reasons why. This is actually just, we're literally selling the car. I love this car. I've been contemplating going back and forth and just keeping it. Oh, I love it so much. It's an amazing vehicle. It is absolutely amazing vehicle. It is in such aesthetic looking condition. I love that rear bumper. I wanted that rear bumper so bad. Here's the deal. It just does everything so good. It's not purpose oriented enough. The only use I could do this for this car would be to daily drive it and to beat on it daily, and I don't want to do that. It's just such a cool car, so beautiful. I just want to leave it in this amazing condition and nothing happened to it. So I did sell it. It is going to Idaho. It's kind of sprinkling rain right now. As you guys can see, it actually looks so good in the rain. Look how good this looks in the rain. But I was going to do a quick wash before it goes on the trailer. So I'm going to see if I could do that before it gets too rainy. It might just need to go on the trailer. But it's just so beautiful. It's so beautiful. I am very sad to see this vehicle leave. I am really sad. It's a dream car. I wrote in the advertisement when I was selling this car, I said dream vehicle. I truly mean that this is a dream vehicle. If you're on YouTube right now and you're typing in like Evo MR, Evo 9 MR, and this video, probably one of my like shorts are gonna pop up, or one of my videos will pop up when you do the Evo 9 MR. I kind of tagged all that along. I'm telling you, go buy one of these. They are so awesome. If you want it as a show car, you can. You can definitely use this as a show car, mine. But you can just use the Evo 9. It has such a cool presence. It is really recognized in the community. And a nice, clean Evo 9 MR, man. This has just been the perfect restoration on this vehicle. It looks so good. It makes me so happy. I love it. Compared to this, I mean, it is honestly, if I'm at a car show, I'm gonna put all three of these on my story, well, because obviously they're my car, but I'm probably gonna lust over this one maybe more than either of these. Why? Because this is my childhood one. Everyone knows Dustin Williams and the actual Tokyo Drift Evo. Of course, I mean, he's awesomely killing it. This is totally up to that spec. This right here is such a special car. Evo 9, 6-speed manual, MR, 10 out of 10. This is a 10 out of 10 vehicle. Very fast. 0 to 60 in like 4 seconds flat. So fast. First and second gear will absolutely destroy so many cars on the road. Quick little story. When I was like 18 or 17 years old, I had a Toyota Celica GTS. I had put a head on it, a cylinder head, and I had put a computer and got it tuned. The dyno said 197 horsepower. I thought that was fun, fast, front wheel drive. A friend in town had one of these and we did a little 1, 2, 3. I am not kidding you. I was like in the very top of VVTLI, the fast part of my Celicas, and this thing acted like I was in reverse, and I was just blown away. And it was a stock Evo 9 MR with a tune, and the first, second, third gear thing was going 90 to 100 miles an hour before I even got out of first gear. It was amazing. So they really are that fast, and I'm not kidding you. This thing hauls. When I first got it, I thought my Evo 10 was faster. No way. This thing is amazing. It's so light, it's so nimble. So it's going to a good home. It's going to a subscriber, which I really appreciate that. I really hope he takes care of it. I hope he doesn't blow it up. I hope he doesn't get in a car accident. You know, I think about these things after I sell a hard project like this. Has a ton of money into this vehicle, actually. There's a lot of my money in this one. This is a net negative for me. I'm going backwards in this. I sold it at a loss. That's okay. But the man hours on this one are really high, meaning that I do a lot of Like this car is easy to do stuff. Like I just did the headlights on that and stuff. That's not that much. This one has a bazillion man hours. This car actually had a lot of man hours. I actually worked really, really hard on this. The brakes I did on it, the everything I did on it, I did all the exhaust system, intake system, all that stuff. Actually was a lot of work. So that being said, I'm really sad because this is like a baby. This is a project of mine. And so to see it leave, I am torn. And I did get a lot of comments saying, did you sell it? Or I also got a lot of Instagram messages telling me not to sell it, which I totally can see your guys' point. Wow, this is crazy. I'm just staring at this car. It is sad. So let's do the right thing and do, I'm gonna do a quick vacuum on it, and then I'm gonna do one final wash, and we're gonna go meet a trailer. That's just insane, so sad. I cannot believe I'm saying goodbye to this thing. Beautiful car, beautiful car. And you've been a subscriber, this is the ultimate look. A soapy black and red car dripping. Oh my gosh, this is dream. Look at that. That is it right there. That wing, that bumper, that tail light, that wheel, color. This is it. This is the ultimate Evo right here. 2006 Evo 9 MR 6-speed manual ripper, all-wheel drive. That is it right there. What an amazing sports car. Mitch, you're an idiot for selling this. Wow. Look at the front. Look how aggressive, real quick here. Urgh, that's so aggressive. Look how mean that thing is. Dang, so aggressive. I love it. 10 out of 10. Okay, final one. This is the last one. This is the last go around, the last wash. Oh, it's so sad. So sad. So beautiful. Look how beautiful that is. God dang. I love it. I love you, Evo. We'll see ya. It's going to a good home. Last one, baby. A nice blow dry. Get all that last water off. I'm going to crank this thing so it's going to be loud. Hey guys, final drive. Oh, sad. Man, what a build. So good. Was me. All right, we're saying goodbye. So sad. So sad. Are you sad?
Super sad.
Did you like this car?
I loved the first Evo.
She called this car the Blink 182 car, which
It
makes...
just has an era feel about it. But it was nice. It was an incredible build. You worked really hard.
I worked really hard.
You worked really hard, honey.
I worked really hard on this car. She didn't like this. I don't know why. She didn't like this one. She liked the other Evo. She liked the Evo 10. So, crazy sad.
We're good?
Yep.
Keep going?
Yep. That's good. Yep, that's good. Keep going. You're on. That's it. There you go. There he goes. Okay, we're in the, what are we in, the FRS, the BRZ GT86, GR86, no, it's not that one. We just dropped off. Ella's gonna flip the camera around real quick. and show you. So that is the most epic picture of my life. It's a EVO 9 MR and an STI. And guess what? He goes and says he had to winch the STI on there. Do you know why he had to winch the STI on there? Because the engine blew up. He goes, it's the STI. He's so true. That is so funny. Man, that is just so true. Yeah, so drop the EVO 9 MR off. MR, oh my gosh, that's crazy. Sad, now we're in a slow FRS. Love that car. It was a really good build. The shipper was amazing. Ivan is his name, brother. I appreciate you. Thank you so much to Boone, the subscriber, for buying the car. Really enjoy that EVO 9. Absolutely work of art. Beautiful, rare car. And I'm sad, but on to bigger, better things. What's next? Well, we got this car that needs some work. We got the MR2 Spider that needs some work. We got a LOTUS EXIGE. And I'm looking probably at another CELICA probably for you guys. That'd be crazy because the MR2 would have a 2ZZ. The LOTUS has a 2ZZ, and if I bought a CELICA, that's a 2ZZ. I think I've been there before. I think I've had 3 2ZZs in my life. I know I have actually. So to go back to that would be kind of crazy having that, but I'm also looking at a GTR. But right now I just want to button up a lot of the projects I had, because with that car it felt like it was done. As I said, I couldn't do anything really else with it. Absolutely beautiful. And so I'm happy with where I am. Make sure to like, subscribe. Congratulations Boone for buying it. I hope you enjoy it. And I'll see you guys on the next video.